Wanna see what my biggest Temu order look like? This is just half the order. Stay with me till the end to see all the items. Hi, I'm Sonali. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I warmly welcome you. My order arrived in 2 packages. Now let's unbox the first one. By the way, you can get all the item links in the description box. There are 6 items in this package. Now let's see what those are one by one. My first item is this 3-color lipstick set. My mom says I need to stop buying lipsticks, and she's right. Because I have so many lipsticks. Whenever I go to a cosmetic shop, I buy at least one lip pencil. In a future video, I will show you guys my entire lipstick collection. So subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and stay with me for my future videos. Enough talk, now let's get back to this. These 3 colors are similar in shade but with a little bit difference. This has a twisting mechanism and I twisted all the way up to see how much product it has. It has 1¼ length product and the tip is little bit thicker than a regular lip pencil. The first shade I am trying is red, the second one is a deep coral color and the last one is like a maroon color. Out of these 3 shades, my favorite one is this dark coral color because it matches with my warm tan color. I have to say these lipsticks are very moisturizing and they have a fragrance like a baby oil. But these are not transfer proof, so I will rate them 9 out of 10. This second item I bought for my mom. These are fabric chalks. My mom has a small clothing business, so she needs these chalks a lot. A year ago, I bought a 10 pack of these chalks from AliExpress. But I no longer order from AliExpress because of long shipping times. So I bought a 20 pack of these chalks from Temu. This has 4 colors, white, blue, pink and yellow. These chalks are very easy to use. They don't need much effort to draw on fabrics. So I'll rate this 10 out of 10. This next item is also for my mom. It is a set of swing tools. This may look like a little bit small, but it has 7 tools inside of it. This has 1 trimmer, 2 seam rippers, large and a small one, and another 2 blades, those are also large and small blade, and 2 needle threaders. I know about the trimmer, seam ripper and needle threaders. The only thing I don't know is what those blades are specifically for. I use this needle threader and it is little bit difficult to use rather than the regular needle threader I have seen everywhere. But anyway, I think this is a good item to order. So I will rate this 8 out of 10. This next item is a necklace. For a long time I wanted to have a necklace like this. In many YouTube videos I have seen influencers wear this necklace. It is like a 4-petal clover necklace. When I saw this in Temu, I immediately ordered this. They had this necklace in 2 colors, white and black, so I ordered the black one. The pendant is so beautiful and the chain is little bit chunkier for me, but I don't mind it. I already wore this necklace in my office trip video, so you can see it in my channel. I will put the link in the description box also. This is how it looks on me. I will rate this 9 out of 10. This next item is another tool set. These are used for hair removing. I bought this because of the tweezer and this scissor. I've never seen this scissor before, so I wanted to try it. But for my disappointment, it doesn't work as it's supposed to be. This comb is there to protect our skin from cutting to the scissor. But that same feature blocks the hair from cutting. I tried this without the comb part and the scissor is okay, it cuts, but the problem is in the comb part. It's so disappointing. The tweezer is okay. The tweezer I already have doesn't remove hair very much efficiently, so I wanted to buy a new one. So this tweezer is okay. The last item in this set is the dermaplaner. It is also doing its work. So 2 out of 3 items are properly working and one item is not properly working. So I will rate this 7 out of 10. This item is also hair removing tool. I saw this item in AliExpress but I didn't buy it back then. Then again I saw this in Temu, so I wanted to buy it just out of curiosity. I didn't have much hope for this item, but anyway I tried it. You have to rub this on your skin like in circular motion. They say this is painless. In a way it actually is. So I rubbed this about a minute or two and it actually removes hair. This tool uses friction to remove hair. You can see tiny black color hairs on the surface. This has some kind of a porous glass material. First time I used too much pressure, so friction caused scratches on my skin. I will rate this 8 out of 10. If you have a sensitive skin, do not use this. My second parcel is a little bit big one. It has 13 items in it. I had to wait a long time for this parcel because of some troubles in the Sri Lankan customs. This parcel had so many items that I loved, so waiting was like a torture for me. So many small items in here. You wonder what this large box is? In few minutes you will know. So stay with me. They have packaged this box very securely because this box is little bit fragile. So it is covered in so many bubble wraps and a cardboard box. This was little bit expensive, but I got it for a discounted price. Temu gives discounts time to time, so you have to stay in touch with Temu app to get discounts. Voila! It is a jewelry box. I have so many earrings and they have been little bit messier recently, so I wanted to organize them properly. That's why I bought this. They only had this dark color for the discount price, but I saw some transparent versions also from this. This has 3 drawers and 72 compartments. I already did another video of organizing all my jewelry into this box. I will upload it in few weeks, so subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and stay with me for my future videos. This is one of my favorite items, so I will rate this 10 out of 10. Do you know about Jimmy Choo Cinderella slippers? I once saw someone recreating this exact slipper for a lesser price. So when I saw this rhinestone set, I also wanted to recreate that slipper. It's so shiny, glittery and beautiful. Sometimes I feel like I am a magpie. Magpies are attracted to shiny and glittery things. I am also like that. I am a hoarder for shiny and glittery things. I hope to do a recreating of that Jimmy Choo slippers, but first of all I have to find a pump shoe for that. So expect that video in a faraway future. Anyway, I will rate this 10 out of 10. This next item is also very useful for me. This is like a super glue but in a gel form. I don't like that regular super glue because it is too liquidy and difficult to use. But this solves all my problems and I use this many times in my handcraft projects. So I will rate this 10 out of 10. These clips are used in sewing clothes, but it's not for my mom, this is for me. These clips are useful when sewing the edges neatly. I have seen many YouTubers use these clips and I wanted to buy them. Also, I love the mix of beautiful colors of these clips. So I will rate this 10 out of 10. This next item is a set of metallic marker pens. I follow Me Painting's YouTube channel since a long time. In her videos, I have seen these metallic marker pens and they are very beautiful. So when I saw this in Temu, I thought I will give it a try. You can see how these colors look on a black surface. I think these are a little bit different to permanent markers because if I wipe as soon as I draw them, they will erase a little bit, but after some time when they are dried, they are not erasing. This silver and the white pen look similar in the camera, but in real life they are very much different. I won't be using these often, but anyway, I will rate them 9 out of 10. In the beginning of this video, I told you that I am a hoarder for lipsticks. So I bought another set. This time it is a set of thin lip pencils. Aren't these beautiful? So let's see what the colors looks like. These lip pencils are oily and moisturizing. For me, these are a little bit oily because I have oil skin. But if you have a dry skin and as well as dry lips, this will be suitable for you. This set has a good variety of colors and all these colors are beautiful. I will rate this 9 out of 10 because it is a little bit oily for me. This next item I bought for my mom. She wanted a set of fabric pins, so when I saw this I fell in love with the colors of the pinheads. Also I got a transparent container for free. But I was a little bit disappointed with this because I thought pinheads would be a little bit bigger than this. They're supposed to send 250 pins, but I counted there were only 202 pins. So I will rate this 6 out of 10. This next item is very convenient in traveling. This is a set of perfume refill bottles. If your favorite perfume bottle is a little bit large to carry in your bag, you can use these. This can hold 8 milliliters of perfume. I'm not gonna show you how to refill this bottle in here, but I'm sure you can find plenty of YouTube videos for that. So I will rate this 10 out of 10 because I love this. I brought some craft making tools because I'm gonna need them in my handcraft projects. This is a rhinestone picker and a curved tweezer. In this rhinestone picker there are two edges. One side of this is a replaceable wax tip and the other side is like a needle tube. When you're done with the wax tip, you don't need to buy the whole tool. Instead, you can buy a set of wax tips for a lesser price. This tweezer is also great for picking small and delicate things, so I will rate this 10 out of 10. This next item is a pen knife cutter. This is easy to carry in a purse and also much easier to use rather than a regular paper cutter. This has a protective clip and the blade is replaceable. This is like a small knife and I have to say this knife is very sharp. How I know this? Because I already cut my hand for this. This pen and blade is made out of stainless steel. Also, this pen comes with 5 extra blades in a small cute container. I am pretty sure this pen knife will have many uses for me in the future. So I am gonna rate this 10 out of 10. This next item is a 10 pack of dermaplaners. I use dermaplaners a lot. I used to wax my hands and legs at home, but it became a harassment for me because waxing is painful and as well as it needs a lot of preparation like heating the wax, applying the wax and putting the wax strips and removing the hair, blah blah blah. So now I use dermaplaners to shave my legs and hands. Also, since a long time I use these to remove peach fuzz from my hair. So I will rate this 10 out of 10. In this order, there are a lot of items for my mom. This is also one of them. This is a piece of elastic band and it has a length of 5 meter. Also, this has a good stretch, neither tight nor loose. I feel like rating this 9 out of 10. This next item is for the skincare girlies. This is a pair of silicone socks. If you have dry and cracked heels, you can use these socks to repair your heels. Only thing you have to do is apply some moisturizing cream or a Vaseline balm on your feet and wear these socks and go to sleep. Unfortunately, there was no different size of socks there. I mean, they could have done a better job at this. They should have put several sizes to choose from. I have long feet, so this was like a child sock for me. When I wore this, it literally stopped the blood flow to my feet. So imagine if I wear this overnight, my feet would be dead in the morning. So I will rate this 0 out of 10 because it is unusable for me. So these are all the items in my second package. Out of these items, the jewelry box and the rhinestone set are my favorites. If you want to order any of these items, use the item links in the description box. Here's a little ASMR moment for you. Enjoy! We'll meet again in another video next week. Until then, bye!